Welcome back to my channel, The Sailing Sailor. Hope you all are good and doing well.
In this one should know about what are all the different types of ranks in Merchant Navy. So, let's get started. There are three main departments on board ships. Numbers 1. Deck Department. Number 2. Engine Department. Number 3. Rating. Professionals from each of these departments are classed into a hierarchy system. For the deck department, generally ranking system are: Number 1. Chief Officer Mate. Number 2. Second Officer Mate. Number 3. Third Officer Mate. Number 4. Deck Officer. Apart from officers, each depart also has ratings, also called deck ratings. Their ranking are: Number 1. Bosun, head of the ratings. Number 2. Welder fitter, this rank renders his services to both the deck and engine department. Number 3. Able-bodied seaman AB. Number 4. Ordinary seaman OS. Number 5. Trainee OS. For the engine department, generally ranking system are: Number 1. Chief Engineer, First Engineer. Number 2. Second Engineer, First Assistant Engineer. Number 3. Third Engineer, Second Assistant Engineer. Number 4. Fourth Engineer, Third Assistant Engineer. Number 5. Fifth Engineer, Engine Cadet. Number 6. Electrical Officer A2. Just like the deck department, the engine department also has ratings. Their ranking are: Number 1. Fitter. Number 2. Motorman. Number 3. Wiper. Number 4. Trainee Fitter, Trainee Wiper. Saloon Department. Number 1. Steward. Number 2. Trainee Cook. Number 3. Chief Cook. Though Captain comes at the top of the ranking system of the deck department, technically, the ship captain is above from everyone on board. If you have any questions or doubts, please comment below.
Please like, subscribe and share. It will give me goosebump to make other interesting videos. Thanks for watching.